Welcome to another exciting journey with Universinet Travel. Today, we're taking you deep into the heart of Olokuta area. A vibrant destination full of hidden gems, cultural treasures, and stunning landscape. Whether you're a travel lover, a culture seeker, or just curious about local life, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into the beauty and experiences that Olokuta has to offer. Olokuta area. Let's explore this vibrant area with Universinet Travel. Explore Olokuta area with us. Join our guided tour to discover the hidden gems of Olokuta area. Our expert guides will take you on a journey through the area's unique landscapes, cultural attractions, and local experiences. Highlights of the tour: scenic views. Enjoy breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape and take in the natural beauty of the area. Cultural attractions. Visit local landmarks, historical sites, and cultural centers to learn about the area's rich heritage. Local experiences. Engage with the local community, try traditional foods, and participate in cultural activities. Book your tour today. Contact Universinet Travel to book your Olokuta area tour and create unforgettable memories. Let us take care of the details while you focus on enjoying the experience. Thanks for exploring Olokuta area with Universinet Travel.
Flashing lights, a cosmic glow, a tidal wave begins to grow. Melodies pierce the summer air, we're alive, we're unaware. Take me higher, break the sky, catch the rhythm, kiss goodbye. Drop the world, let chaos play, we'll ignite the night today. Spinning all around, static charge in the atmosphere. We won't stop till morning's near. Let the synths ignite your core. This is what we're living for. Hands up high.
If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your favorite part of the tour. Want to see more hidden gems like this? Subscribe to our channel or follow our page, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure.